Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia kembali melaporkan kemajuan operasi militer khusus di Ukraina pada 24 Oktober 2022 kemarin. Diketahui, Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia masih melanjutkan operasi militer khusus. Perang yang terjadi di antara pasukan militer Rusia dengan Ukraina hingga kini berlangsung selama 244 hari. Di arah Kupiansk, pasukan musuh hingga 3 kompi infanteri bermotor berusaha menyerang posisi Rusia yang dekat dengan Persotravnovoye, Orlianka, dan Berestovoye, wilayah Kharkov. Semua serangan Ukraina telah ditolak. Akibat kebakaran tersebut, unit-unit angkatan bersenjata Ukraina terpaksa kembali ke posisi semula. Lebih dari 25 personel Ukraina, 1 tank, 5 pengangkut personel lapis baja, dan 4 truk pick-up dieliminasi. Di arah Krasny Liman, hingga 2 kompi mekanik dari Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina berusaha menyusup ke garis pertahanan pasukan Rusia di arah Chervonopopovka, Republik Rakyat Luhansk. Pasukan Ukraina didorong kembali ke perbatasan awal oleh pesawat dan tembakan artileri serta pasukan pertahanan. Lebih dari 20 personel Ukraina dan 2 kendaraan tempur infanteri dinetralkan.
To attack the Russian positions near Bruskinskoye, Katikatki and Tryfonovka in Kherson region. As a result of fire damage and concentrated strikes by Russian artillery, more than 80 Ukrainian personnel, 11 armored combat vehicles and 15 cars were destroyed. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery neutralized 4 Ukrainian command posts close to Stepovaya Novoselovka in Kharkov region, Davidov Brod, Andreevka in Kherson region, Olenovka in Nikolaev region, 72 artillery units and firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 174 areas. 1 munition depot was annihilated close to Dvorechная in Kharkov region. Russian air defense means have shut down 3 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Yagodnaya in Kharkov region, Shevchenko and Malik Hermanchik in Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 21 projectiles of HIMARS and Olha MLRS were intercepted over Lysychansk in Lugansk People's Republic and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. In total, 325 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,326 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 anti-aircraft missile systems, 6,020 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 874 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,521 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,741 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.